What are the risks of using Rogaine 5%, which is a men's dose, in women? I get asked this a lot because recently the FDA changed the guidelines for women in that the guidelines used to be 2% minoxidil 1 to 2 times per day, and now it's up to 5%, which is similar to the men. The biggest thing is women that are pregnant or breastfeeding. It is a category C danger as far as difficulty for the fetus during pregnancy or the baby during breastfeeding. And category C means that there's just not enough scientific evidence to completely rule it out, but it's not been proven to be a major danger. But at this point, for minoxidil use in women, I prescribe 5% 1 to 2 times per day.